Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
Let's take your immediate reactions to the judgment.
Well, I think that if you are inside the court, the judgment took over 8 hours, the first judgment, and then of course the second one. You must be proud as a Nigerian. And for me, I'm not a lawyer, but the delivery, the eloquence, and the review of various cases is simple English. So it's very clear. I think the judges did a wonderful job. You know, irrespective of how the ruling goes, I think it was very lucid, it was very well explained, and I think even non-lawyers can explain it clearly. So for me, I'm a very proud Nigerian.